The 2026 Toyota Land Cruiser 60 Series is a vehicle that represents the perfect marriage of tradition and innovation, drawing from the legacy of its predecessors while embracing cutting-edge advancements in both technology and design. Toyota has long been a pioneer in the world of off-road vehicles, and the Land Cruiser has stood at the heart of that legacy. The 60 Series, which debuted in the 1980s, remains an iconic part of that history, with the newer 2026 iteration maintaining the spirit of the original while also offering something new for the modern-day adventurer. To truly appreciate the 2026 Toyota Land Cruiser 60 Series, it's important to understand the evolution of the Land Cruiser line. The 60 Series was introduced in 1980 as a more refined, modern version of the Land Cruiser that had previously been known for its ruggedness and military origins. The 60 Series quickly gained a reputation for being a capable off-roader, a reliable family vehicle, and a strong contender in the world of adventure touring. This new version, while still honoring its roots, offers a strikingly modern interpretation of what a Land Cruiser can be. With the 2026 version of the Land Cruiser 60 Series, Toyota has kept the vehicle's rugged, go-anywhere spirit intact, but it's also integrated advanced features that appeal to a new generation of buyers. The design is bold and confident, blending the traditional, boxy shape of the Land Cruiser with more contemporary lines. It is a design that evokes memories of the iconic Land Cruiser but incorporates modern aesthetics to meet the preferences of today's consumers. The 2026 Land Cruiser 60 Series maintains its excellent off-road capabilities while introducing technological upgrades that enhance both driving experience and safety. Under the hood, the Land Cruiser 60 Series is expected to feature a range of powertrains, with an emphasis on efficiency without sacrificing power. While details about the engine lineup are still being finalized, rumors suggest that Toyota will offer a variety of engines, including hybrid options that combine power with better fuel economy. The engine choices will likely cater to a wide variety of driving needs, whether it's conquering rugged trails or providing a smooth drive on highways. What's also notable about the 2026 model is its integration of modern tech. The Land Cruiser 60 Series will likely feature an advanced infotainment system, with a large touchscreen display that offers both convenience and functionality. Expect to see Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration, allowing seamless connectivity with smartphones. Additionally, the interior will likely feature upgraded materials, making the cabin more luxurious without sacrificing durability. This is a vehicle that can take you to the ends of the earth, but you can still expect comfort and modern conveniences along the way. Safety is another area where the 2026 Toyota Land Cruiser 60 Series stands out. Toyota has always been a leader in vehicle safety, and the Land Cruiser 60 Series is expected to be equipped with the latest driver assistance technologies. These may include adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, automatic emergency braking, and possibly Toyota's pre-collision system, all aimed at making the driving experience safer for both the driver and passengers. Of course, the Land Cruiser 60 Series continues to be built to withstand harsh conditions. With its robust chassis and high ground clearance, the 2026 model is poised to conquer any terrain, whether it's sand, snow, mud, or rocky paths. The full-time four-wheel drive system is complemented by advanced off-road technologies, ensuring that the Land Cruiser can tackle the most challenging trails with ease. Toyota is also likely to equip the 2026 model with locking differentials and a dedicated off-road mode, allowing drivers to customize the driving experience based on their specific needs. The Land Cruiser 60 Series has always been known for its reliability, and Toyota has done everything to ensure that the 2026 version lives up to that reputation. The brand's commitment to quality engineering is evident in the durability and longevity of the vehicle. The 60 Series, like its predecessors, is designed to be a long-term investment. It's a vehicle that can serve as a family car, a workhorse, or a touring machine, adapting to whatever demands you place on it. In terms of interior space, the 2026 Land Cruiser 60 Series is designed with practicality in mind. The cabin will likely be spacious, offering ample room for passengers in both the front and rear seats. The third-row seats will provide additional passenger capacity, making the Land Cruiser 60 Series an excellent choice for families who enjoy outdoor adventures. Whether you're taking a long road trip or tackling a weekend of off-roading, the Land Cruiser 60 Series is designed to provide comfort and convenience for everyone on board. Toyota has always valued craftsmanship in its vehicles, and that's evident in the 2026 Land Cruiser 60 series. While it will certainly feature high-tech amenities, it will also emphasize simple yet quality touches that enhance the overall driving experience. For instance, you may find leather-trimmed seating, wood accents, and a clean, ergonomic dashboard that makes driving the vehicle as enjoyable as the destinations it takes you to. As for towing capabilities, the Land Cruiser 60 series is likely to maintain its impressive ability to tow heavy loads. Whether you're hauling a camper, boat, or other recreational vehicles, the Land Cruiser is designed to handle it with ease. Its towing capacity is expected to remain one of the best in its class, with an upgraded transmission system that offers smoother shifting and greater efficiency when pulling heavy loads. In terms of price, the 2026 Land Cruiser 60 series is expected to carry a premium price tag, but that's to be expected given its combination of rugged off-road capability, advanced technology, and luxury features. Toyota is likely to position the 60 series as a premium offering in its lineup, aimed at those who demand a high level of performance, comfort, and off-road capability. It will appeal to buyers who appreciate the history of the Land Cruiser but want a more modern, high-tech version of this legendary vehicle. The 2026 Toyota Land Cruiser 60 series will certainly be a remarkable vehicle for anyone looking for a blend of adventure and sophistication. It is not just a vehicle, it's a symbol of Toyota's commitment to creating vehicles that inspire confidence, whether on or off the road. With a rich legacy behind it and a promising future ahead, the 60 series continues to be one of the most coveted and respected names in the world of off-road vehicles. In the end, the 2026 Toyota Land Cruiser 60 series proves that tradition can evolve without losing its essence. It's a vehicle that continues to deliver what the Land Cruiser has always been known for: reliability, adventure, and the freedom to explore the world without limits. Whether you're traversing challenging terrain, embarking on an epic road trip, or simply commuting, the 2026 Land Cruiser 60 series is built to handle it all. It's not just about where you're going, it's about enjoying the journey every step of the way.